Hey everybody, it's me and Zoe. We're gonna make some fondant today for her Hello Kitty cupcakes. So first we have some marshmallows, just amount what you want to make. We're gonna put some water in there. Zoe, can you put some of that water in there? You can put half of it in there. You can put a little bit in there.
I can put.
Sure, put a little bit more in there. Just a little bit in there, and then that's good. And then just stir that water in really quick. Just a little bit. Doesn't really matter how much you put in. And then throw it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Here it is after 30 seconds. It starts getting melted. Just keep continuing the 30 seconds until everything is completely smooth. Looks like maybe, yeah, that's probably pretty good. Maybe I'll do another 30 seconds just to get the couple lumps out of there. So now we have our marshmallows that are melted. Stir that up. Looks pretty good. You can add some flavoring to it, some vanilla if you'd like, or almond, or whatever you want to flavor it to. And then we're gonna add some powdered sugar. So a little bit at a time. It's gonna be really sticky at first. So we'll just keep kind of stirring it in. And messy. Zoe, you want to keep adding some powdered sugar for me?
Powdered sugar?
Yep, that's what that is. Okay. That looks good. Stirring it in. And eventually it starts turning into kind of a dough. A little bit more powdered sugar, Zoe.
Carefully.
Yep, keep going. A big pile. There we go. That's good. That's good. That's good. Alrighty. Oh boy.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's a lot. So we're gonna dump this out onto here so we can kind of knead in that powdered sugar. It's kind of a lot. It'll still work though. It'll be fine. Right, Zoe?
Yes.
All right. So. Kind of a messy way to do it. Probably would have added a little bit powdered sugar at a time instead of the whole bag. But it is turning into a little dough here. So anyways, here's the dough, and this is the fondant, and that's it. You just keep moving it until it stops sticking to your hands. Keep getting some powdered sugar on there. Oh my gosh, I do have it everywhere. Didn't quite need this much powdered sugar for this amount. You can use the whole bag of marshmallows or just half of it. It'll turn out.
And then soon we'll do food coloring.
And that's it. And then you roll it out. You can use some powdered sugar to roll it out so it doesn't stick, just like flour. The rolling pin and cut out your shapes. And that's it. Oh, you can add some food coloring at the end too. So
Food coloring.
So we want to make some pink. So you can put a drop of pink in there.
Wait, there's no drop.
That might be empty. Use this one instead.
Make sure your thing is not empty.
I'll do the yellow.
And can I do the...
Yep, you can do the pink, and then you just fold this in. You can use some gloves so your fingers or hands don't turn colors.
Oh my god, that was a big one.
Oh yeah, that was a big drop. It'll be a pretty dark pink. It's okay.
We need
just
bright pink.
Fold it in. Well, we'll find out if it's too... Oh, I might have really pink hands. If it's too pink, then we'll add some white to it, right? That's how you make fondant.
Did you see our bear around here?
Did you see a bear? All right, once you get it to this consistency where it doesn't stick to your fingers anymore or to your gloves, you can add a little bit more if you want. But once it gets to that, then you can kind of roll it up into a ball if you want to save it for later and wrap it in some cling film or saran wrap, whatever you call it.
Going to wash my hands.
And you can put it in your fridge and it will keep in your fridge for a couple weeks or so. So it keeps for a long time, just wrapped like that in your fridge. And you can just pull it out and roll it and use it whenever you need to make something with fondant. Anything else that Zoe, do you want to add? That's it.
Say bye to Mr. Piggy. Bye. Bye.